How to use Meta AI on Instagram. For this, go ahead and open your Instagram application first and foremost. Then tap on the DM section at the top and select the conversation where you want to use your Meta AI. To use your Meta AI, similarly type in @, then type in Meta AI. Now once you do this, you can give it a command prompt and you can also let it schedule a message to be sent. Now for an example, I'll be showing you how you can type in your message prompt. Here I'll be typing schedule message for 4 p.m. and once you tap on send, the message will be sent accordingly. With your Meta AI, you can even allow it to suggest you some of the stickers and GIFs as well. If you do not have this feature, go ahead and open your Play Store and check for an update of your Instagram. Search for Instagram, and if there is an update bubble, just leave it for an update. And even after it, if the feature is not available, check if Meta AI is available for your region. Or you can even try by pressing hold the Instagram app and heading to app info. Force stop it, then head to storage and cache, clearing the cache of the Instagram app. Once you do this, if Meta AI is available in your region, you will be able to use it. However, if it is not available for your region, be patient to be allowed in the region itself. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.